Hello and welcome to SD's Physics. So, what is gravity, and why don't we float into space? Gravity is the force that pulls all objects toward each other. The Earth has a huge mass, and because of that, it pulls everything, including us, toward its center. That's why we stay grounded and don't just drift away into space. Gravity isn't just on Earth. Our entire galaxy is held together by gravity. Every star, planet, and even dust particles move the way they do because the combined gravitational pull of the galaxy keeps them in place. Gravity guides the motion of objects, making them orbit around larger bodies like stars and black holes. Now let's define gravity properly. Gravity is the invisible force that pulls objects toward one another. You can't see it, but you can feel its effects every moment, whether it's a ball falling, rain dropping, or your feet staying on the ground. There are two key things to remember. First, the greater the mass, the stronger the gravitational pull. That is why the Sun's gravity is much stronger than Earth's. Second, gravity acts over distance. Even if two objects are far apart, they still attract each other, though the force becomes weaker as the distance increases. We see the most beautiful example of gravity in our own solar system. The Sun's massive gravity pulls all the planets toward it, keeping them in stable orbits. Planets move forward due to their motion, but the Sun's gravitational pull constantly bends their paths into circles or ellipses. So, how does gravity really work? Imagine dropping an apple from a tall height. The apple falls straight down because Earth pulls it toward the ground. The higher the drop, the faster it accelerates, because gravity constantly increases its speed as it falls. Now let's talk about the difference between gravity and inertia. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. It keeps planets in orbit around the Sun. Inertia, on the other hand, is an object's tendency to keep moving in a straight line unless acted upon by a force. If there were only inertia, planets would simply shoot off into space in a straight line. If there were only gravity, they would fall straight into the Sun. But together, gravity pulling inward and inertia pushing forward, planets stay in balanced, stable orbits. That's it. Thanks for watching and connect with us for more physics content, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.